Welcome to you all in my channel. This is me, Vinod Kumar Srivastava, and today I'm going to teach you Unit 2 of English. Unit 1 and exercises we have already completed, and today we are going to study about Unit 2, which is about debate competition. It's about a debate competition, and let's read about this today. There has been a debate competition in Gauri Shankar Higher Secondary School. Amrit Timil Sinha is the master of ceremony, and Karma and Kavita are the speakers on the final round of the debate. This is a debate competition, and two students have come in the final round. They are Karma and Kavita. Karma speaks at first, and he speaks. His turn comes, and he speaks now. He says, Mr. Chairperson, respected teachers and friends. First he addresses these personalities. I would like to thank Mr. Timil Sinha for giving me an opportunity to express my opinion on the burning issue. The fewer the languages there are, the easier the life will be. सबभन्दा पहिला उसले टिचरलाई चेयरपर्सनलाई ग्रिटिङ गरिसकेपछि उसले धन्यवाद दिन्छ मिस्टर तिमिल सिन्हालाई, who gave him chance to speak something on the topic of the fewer the languages there are, the easier the life will be. जति कम भाषा हुन्छ अथवा एउटै भाषा भयो भने लाइफ पनि त्यतिकै सजिलो हुन्छ. धेरै भाषा भएको कारणले गर्दा हामी एकअर्काको विचारलाई एकअर्काको भावलाई बुझ्न सक्दैनौँ. तर एउटै भाषा भयो भने अथवा धेरै कम भाषा भयो भने हामीले त्यति झन्झट त्यति दुःख महसुस गर्नु पर्दैन. The fewer the languages there are, the easier the life will be. As much few the language will be, or if there will be only one language, there will be no difficulties for understanding, there will be no difficulties for translating one language into another. So he is speaking in the favor of that there should be only one language. He says that every year several languages die out. Some people think that life will be easier if there are fewer languages in the world. According to Karma, several languages die out. We are looking at many words are dying out. English itself has become a killer language. It has killed many words of our own language. Nowadays people do not want to say pustak. They say book, doesn't it? People do not say nasta or so on. Breakfast they want to say. So many words have been eaten. Papale पिताजीलाई खाइहाल्यो हैन, मम्मीले आमा र माइलाई खाइहाल्यो. So English is supposed to be the killer language, and many languages die out. And some people think that if there are fewer languages, if there is only one language, life will be very easy. And now he puts his logic on this topic. He says, as we know, the development of recent technology has a significant role to create global village. Today we are living in a global village because of technology, because of internet. Modern technology has brought all the world a village. People from any part of the world can communicate easily through the internet. With the help of internet, people can talk with anyone from any nook and corner of the world to any other part of the world as well, very easily. Because of the international importance of the English language, most of the people are reluctant to use their first language and are learning the English language. English language has become a link language. Nowadays people are very much interested to learn language than to learn their first language, because they know that English has become a means to talk with anyone in all over the world. कसैसँग पनि कुरा गर्नको लागि इंग्लिश प्रयोग गर्न सकिन्छ विश्वमा कतै पनि. त्यसैले इंग्लिशको महत्व अलि बढी नै बढिरहेको छ. त्यसकारणले गर्दा मान्छे आफ्नो फर्स्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज सिक्नलाई उनीहरुलाई त्यति रुचि लाग्दैन जति इंग्लिश सिक्नलाई लाग्छ. फर्स्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो फर्स्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज जस्तो म भोजपुरी हुँ भने, मधेसको हुँ भने भोजपुरी मेरो फर्स्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज भइगयो, नेपाली मेरो राष्ट्र ल्याङ्ग्वेज भइगयो, तर इंग्लिश मेरो सेकेन्ड ल्याङ्ग्वेज भइहाल्छ. यदि म चाइनिज भाषा सिक्न चाहन्छु भने मेरो लागि त्यो थर्ड ल्याङ्ग्वेज भइहाल्छ। द फर्स्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज इज आवर ओन मदर टङ, द्याट इज नोन एज फर्स्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज। मान्छेहरू आजकल फर्स्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज सिक्न त्यति मन पराउँदैन, इङ्ग्लिस सिक्न मन पराउँछ, किनकि दे क्यान कम्युनिकेट विथ एनी पिपल इन अल ओभर द वर्ल्ड। This shows that the people prefer learning the language that help them to communicate in the global village. Mostly, obviously, people want to learn that language which can help them to communicate with the world people, with anybody in the world. That's why people want to learn that type of language. He again puts his another logic that Mr. Chairperson, using the same language would certainly aid understanding and global fraternity. In एउटै भाषा प्रयोग गर्यौं भने यसले हामीलाई हाम्रो बुझ्ने जुन शक्ति हुन्छ त्यसलाई पनि बढाइदिन्छ र विश्व बन्धुत्वलाई पनि यसले अगाडि बढाउँछ। ग्लोबल फ्र्याटर्निटी, भाइचारा, ब्रदरहुडनेस पनि यसमा बढिहाल्छ, किनकि कति कुराहरू भाषा नबुझेको कारणले गर्दा हुन्छ। कति गल्ती, कति अफेन्स, अपराधहरू भाषा नबुझेको कारणले गर्दा पनि हुन्छ। यदि हामी एकअर्काको भाषा सजिलैसँग बुझ्यौं भने हामी भाइचारा स्थापित गर्न सक्छौं। इट विल बी भेरी इजी टु इस्टाब्लिश ब्रदरहुडनेस, म्युचुअल रिलेशनशिप इफ वी अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड द ल्याङ्ग्वेज। People can communicate with one another without any problem. If only one language is there, then it will be very easy to understand each other's talk. It unites all the people as global citizens. All the citizens of the world will be global citizens. पूरा विश्वको नै एक अर्कासँग सम्बन्ध राख्न सक्छन्, एक अर्काको कुरा पनि बुझ्न सक्छन्। If everyone speaks the same language, there will be clear understanding between not only countries but also people throughout the world. If everyone speaks the same language, it will be easy to understand everything, and all the people talk can also be understood. Countries relationship, people relationship throughout the world will be very easy. धेरै सजिलो भइहाल्छ। It would promote learning, र लर्निङ पनि बढिहाल्छ। अहिले अब मधेसको यदि बच्चाहरूको कुरा गरौँ भने मधेसको बच्चालाई पहिला नेपाली सिक्नुपर्छ, त्यसपछि इङ्ग्लिस सिक्नुपर्छ, हैन? जस्तै हाम्रो नेपाली पहाडी समाजको जुन बच्चाहरू छन् तिनीहरूलाई पहिले नेपाली, त्यसपछि इङ्ग्लिस। त्यसैले सायद इङ्ग्लिसमा पढाएको कुनै पनि कुराहरू हामी त्यति छिटो बुझ्दैनौँ जति हामी आफ्नो भाषामा पढाएको कुराहरू सिक्छौँ। इन चाइना, चाइनिज ल्याङ्ग्वेज इज ओन्ली टट। इन जापान द बुक्स आर इन जापानिज। द्याट्स वाइ आफ्नै मदर टङमा सिक्ने भएको हुनाले उनीहरूको लर्निङ छिटो हुन्छ। हामी दुईवटा भाषा क्रस गरेर सिक्छौँ, बट एउटै भाषा भयो भने हामीले बुझ्न सजिलो हुन्छ। एनी कुरा एनी टक वी क्यान अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड भेरी इजिली। कुनै पनि कुरा हामी धेरै छिटो बुझ्न सक्छौँ। यसले लर्निङलाई प्रमोट गरिदिन्छ। द फ्लो अफ इन्फर्मेसन एन्ड आइडिया र इन्फर्मेसनहरू पनि राम्रोसँग हुन्छ। के तपाईँलाई लाग्दैन स्टेजमा यदि भोजपुरी बोल्न दियो भने अथवा म नेपाली बोल्न राम्रोसँग नेपाली मेरो फर्स्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो भने नेपालीमै बोल्न दियो भने मलाई वर्डहरू खोज्नु पर्दैन, मजाले त्यो अटोमेटिकली फ्लो भइरहेको हुन्छ। अब इङ्ग्लिसमा बोल्नको लागि त रातभरि बसेर लेख्नु पर्यो। आई विल युज दिस वर्ड, आई वुड लाइक टु कल द वान एन्ड दिस वान, यति कुराहरू सोच्नुपर्छ। तर एउटै भाषा भयो भने हामीलाई यति सोच्नु पर्दैन, मजाले हामी आइडियाजहरूको फ्लो हामी त्यहाँ हेर्न सक्छौँ। फर इक्जाम्पल, स्टुडेन्ट्स डोन्ट ह्याभ टु ट्रान्सलेट द टेक्स्ट इन्टु देयर मदर टङ टु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड। अनि एउटै भाषा भयो भने हामीलाई कुनै पनि ल्याङ्ग्वेज अब सुन्छौँ त त्यसलाई आफ्नो मदर टङमा ट्रान्सलेट गरेर हामी बुझ्छौँ, हैन? आई एम गोइङ टु बिरगन्ज, त यसलाई अब बुझ्नु पऱ्यो भने हामी बुझ्छ आई मिन्स म, गोइङ मिन्स गइरहेको, बिरगन्ज भने बिरगन्जमा। त त्यसलाई हामी आफ्नो मदर टङमा पहिला नेपालीमा ल्याउँछौँ, नेपालीबाट आफ्नो मदर टङमा ल्याएर तब बुझ्छौँ। तर एउटै भाषा भयो भने यति ट्रान्सलेट गर्ने झन्झटै हुँदैन नि। देयर विल बी नो डिफिकल्टिज फर ट्रान्सलेटिङ फ्रम वान ल्याङ्ग्वेज टु अनदर। इजिली वी क्यान अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड द्याट। So he says that it is very easy. It promotes the understanding, it promotes the learning as well, and there will be clear understanding. Ladies and gentlemen, economic growth is also possible by using single language. उसले भन्छ एउटै भाषा हामी प्रयोग गर्यौँ भने इकोनोमिक ग्रोथ पनि हामी गर्न सक्छौँ। पैसाको सम्बन्धमा पनि आर्थिक हाम्रो विकास पनि हुन सक्छ। एज इट क्यान मिनिमाइज भेरियस कस्ट सच एज द कस्ट अफ कम्युनिकेसन। किनकि एउटै भाषा भयो भने कम्युनिकेसनको लागि जुन हामी पैसा खर्च गर्छौँ त्यो खर्च हुँदैन, पैसा बच्छ। त्यो ट्रान्सलेसन गराउनको लागि पनि कुनै न कुनै सिके जानेको मान्छेले त पैसा दिन्छौँ नि, त्यो दिनु पर्दैन, त्यो पैसा बच्यो। इन्टरप्रिटेसन, कुनै कुराको व्याख्या गर्नको लागि पनि एक भाषाबाट अर्को भाषामा त त्यसलाई पनि हामीले पैसा दिनु पर्दैन हैन। यो हामी जुन हेर्छौं when prime minister ministers when they go in another country then they hire a translator with them if they don't know the language of that हैन। चाइनामा जाने मन्त्रीलाई चाइनिज थाहा छैन भने चाइनिज बोल्ने व्यक्तिलाई त लान्छ नि त्यसले त लाखौं रुपैयाँ दिनुपर्छ। यदि एउटै भाषा भयो भने he doesn't have to hire the person and the money will be saved, so economic growth will be possible as well. We don't need interpreters in international conferences. Suppose we are attending in from international conferences, then we don't have to hire the interpreter को जरुरी नै पर्दैन, translator को जरुरी नै पर्दैन। And seminars and workshop, either we are attending seminars, workshop, if it is spoken only one language, single language, then we don't have to hire the translator, we don't have to hire the interpreters, because त्यही भाषामा म आफै कुरा गर्न सक्छु नि, म अरूलाई हायर किन गरौँ त पैसाको कम बचत पनि भइहाल्छ हाम्रो। Participants can easily express whatever they like in language of common understanding, हैन। पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सहरु आफ्नै भाषामा तिनीहरु किनकि एउटै भाषा त सबैले बुझ्छन्, मजाले आफ्नो कुराहरु राख्न सक्छ। Thus it can minimize the communication barrier and flourishes international business, हैन। कम्युनिकेसन ब्यारियर जुन छ, कुराकानी गर्दाखेरि जुन बाधा उत्पन्न हुन्छ, म त्यो भाषै बुझ्न सक्दैन, त्यसको चिन्तै हुँदैन, त्यो झन्झट नै खत्म भइहाल्छ र इन्टरनेशनल बिजनेस पनि फ्लोरिश भइहाल्छ, किनकि विश्वमा कसैसँग पनि हामी त्यही भाषामा कुरा गर्न सक्छौं। हाम्रो बिजनेस व्यापार पनि धेरै नै प्रगतिको बाटोमा जान सक्छ, झन बढी विकास गर्न सकिन्छ, रिजल्टिङ इन अ हेल्दियर वर्ल्ड इकोनोमी। And the world economy will be good if there will be single language. Not only this, if a language is intelligible for all, so if a language is intelligible for all, members of security forces can easily investigate and understand national and international criminal plans. And this is also very important. Security forces जुन छन्, सुरक्षा गार्डहरु जुन छन्, तिनीहरुले मजाले कुनै पनि कुरा इन्टरनेशनल र नेशनल क्रिमिनल प्लान्सहरुको बारेमा पनि उनीहरु जान्न सक्छन्। As we know that many languages are there, then different type of codes, speaking code languages are also used in terrorist work, so which can't be understood. But if there is only single language, then it will be very easy to understand about the criminal plans as well. Their plan will be filled and we can be able to catch them out. That's why if single language is there, there will be no difficulties, there will be no such type of problems. It may help in solving international and intercultural security problem. यसले intercultural security problem लाई पनि समाधान गर्छ र international समस्याहरूलाई पनि समाधान गर्न सक्छ। In conclusion, कर्मा says, कर्माले आफ्नो बोलाइमा अब conclusion मा भन्छ कि I strongly claim that using single language as a lingua franca, the word lingua franca is known for the language which helps us to communicate with others, that is known as lingua franca. So English is lingua franca. English is supposed to be vernacular language. English is supposed to be link language, a language that helps a person to communicate with other people, that is known as lingua franca. So single language as lingua franca strengthen our fraternity, हैन। यो एउटै भाषा भन्यो भने बोल्यौं भने यसले हाम्रो भाइचारालाई बढाइदिन्छ, इन्टेग्रिटी हाम्रो एकतालाई इमानदारीतालाई बढाइदिन्छ र सेक्युरिटी एन्ड ग्लोबल अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ पनि यसले बढाइदिन्छ, अगाडि बढाइदिन्छ। In addition to flourish international business and economy, and international business can be flourished, international economy can be flourished, and the world economy can be strong as well. So Karma puts his view on the matter of speaking single language in all over the world. According to him, that if there will be only one language, then there will be राम्रोसँग understanding हुन सक्छ, हैन। त्यसपछि ग्लोबल फ्र्याटर्निटी पनि बढिहाल्छ। इट प्रमोट्स लर्निङ एज वेल, यसले लर्निङलाई पनि बढाइदिन्छ, अनि यसले इकोनोमिकल ग्रोथलाई पनि बढाइदिन्छ, हैन। यसले भाइचारालाई ल्याइदिन्छ, आदि कुराहरू कर्मले यसमा पुट गर्छ। So this is the first part. I think we have to make a second part as well. So a second part will be made for you, and after that you can understand. अब जुन अर्को पार्ट भन्छ त्यसमा कविताले आफ्नो के विचार राखेकी छिन् त्यो हामी यसमा जान्ने छौं र हेर्ने छौं, अनि त्यसको अनुसारले फेरि अगाडिको एक्सरसाइजहरु गर्छौं। And I would like to request you that if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel so that we will be connected together. You will be getting the videos continuously. Whenever it is made, it will appear in your notification, and you will be able to get my videos which will help you better understanding. So second part will be done later, which you have to see for this. This is for Karma is speaking, and in second part there will be Kavita's speaking. Thank you.